Welcome to the Wealth Initiative, the crypto gamble, how to win almost every time. Hi, I'm Terry LeNoir, your host, a financial strategist who helps real people build real wealth without confusion. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start planning, then you're in the right place. Hey, look, some people look at investment options as a get-rich-quick deal, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. I had a question from Darren in Los Angeles. Is crypto a good investment? The answer is yes. Cryptocurrency can be a good investment, but it depends on several variables. Cryptocurrency generally is high risk, high reward investment that depends on factors such as time horizon, risk tolerance, both financially and psychologically, and the portfolio diversification. So you need to be aware of the volatility of the market. As prices rise and fall quickly and significantly, make sure you have a diversified portfolio and that crypto is a portion of your overall investment strategy. The problem, blind investing. ChatGPT is not a financial advisor. People are trying to strike gold, right? We know at the end of the day, it comes down to not what you know, but how you turn that knowledge into action. Knowledge isn't power, applied knowledge is power. So let's get real, right? Let's unlock the wealth building keys, right? Here are 5 winning keys to crypto. Number 1, understanding the market. Educate yourself first. Learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoin, Dogecoin, Shiba before investing any money. Follow the fundamentals. You want projects with strong dev teams, clear use cases, and adoption trends tend to last longer than hype-driven coins, right? What's the community about? Where are they headed? Do you like the direction that the community is going? Number 2, pick the right strategy. Long-term investing, holding, right? We want to make sure that we're not walking around with paper hands, but diamond hands, right? We buy and hold assets, top assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum. They'll survive multiple cycles. They've been around for a while. Dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging is investing a fixed amount regularly instead of trying to time the market. This reduces the risk of buying at the top. You ultimately could end up with an overall lower cost. Diversification. Don't put everything into one coin. Spread across major assets, maybe a few high potential smaller ones. Things like Shiba, right? Things that could, grow into substantial wealth. Staking, yield farming, right? This is where you earn passive income on your holdings, but only go with trusted platforms. These are ways to turn on passive income. And ultimately, isn't that what we all want? Passive income. Number 3, manage like a pro, right? Only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, crypto is very volatile, right? You have to set stop losses, right? If you're actively trading. Avoid emotional decisions, the fear of missing out or, panic buying or selling. Discipline beats hype all the time. And then keep cash reserves so that you can buy when the market dips. We've all seen it. Bitcoin took a huge dip. If you had assets to cash, you could purchase when it hits a low because it's going to bounce, right? Number 4, protect your assets. Use cold wallets, ledger, long-term storage. Now, what's a cold wallet? It's a crypto wallet that's not connected to the internet. Very simple. Avoid leaving large sums on exchanges. Things happen, they could be hacked. You must enable 2-factor authentication everywhere. Set this up so that you can avoid having any issues. And then number 5, stay ahead of the game. Follow the news and regulations, right? Crypto reacts fast to global events, things that happen. You can watch Bitcoin first. It often drives the rest of the market where you can kind of see the direction and where they're headed, right? And then learn technical analysis, right? If you're trading, charts, support, resistance, understanding all this. Now, if you are looking to get into Bitcoin, looking to get into crypto, looking to get into understanding more of how to invest, feel free to reach out. We'll definitely give you an opportunity to learn more about this, put yourself on a position to build wealth through crypto. Now we're going to move on to money truths, right? So let's talk real numbers and strategies. I like to call this section the money truth. The key is to have a plan and a strategy, right? So if you choose to invest in crypto, you must be diversified. Study only companies prior to investing. Study companies prior to investing, right? Make sure that you're clear as to the company that you're investing and their objective, their goals. Mutual funds are another way to be diversified. Dollar cost averaging is going to help you with the cost of the share price. Could end up with an overall lower share price or cost of coin, right? Compound interest is going to allow time and consistency to work in your favor. In all this, having crypto is a great asset to your overall portfolio, but you must have a plan, you must have a strategy. So look, if this episode has you thinking, maybe I should take a closer look at crypto, maybe I should invest more, then let's take action, right? Connect with me and we'll go over a strategy and help you fine tune that strategy that you have. If you don't have one, we can help you create and put a plan together completely, right? So this is the Wealth Initiative, a place for forward thinkers to ditch the status quo, take control of your life and your finances. So hey, look, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. We want you to hit that button, right? Do not miss out on our next episode. It's called Get Paid or Get Played, right? The money game. We break down the ways to earn and create income streams.